What's going on, people? It's Monday, the beginning of the week. Let's get to this. Try to make a little bit of money. End the week green. Uh, the market's already open. You can see all my accounts down here on the left. I have 4 funded and 3 evals. The one is my 25 to funded account or to payout account, which I'll probably take a trade on that today. But I'm gonna wait to take. I don't have nothing setting up right now. Once something's set up, I'll get back into this. So I'm gonna just pause it real quick. We wait for a setup. Let me talk to y'all for a little bit. I want to talk about the truth for real about prop firm trade, and then trading in general. So I know a lot of y'all get on here on YouTube and watch people trade and watch these YouTubers trade and stuff like that. And from somebody that's been trading for close to 10 years now, I'm gonna let y'all know that a lot of the people that's online are fake traders. They're not traders. A lot of them come from trading forex and stuff like that. They learn a doctor. They stuff to show to you. They don't show they wins or they losses and stuff. They'll show they wins, but won't let you know when they take losses and that they actually not profitable traders. So prop firms have helped, but if you watch people that's traded forex, like real people, been on Twitter and stuff like that for a while, you see that a lot of people, even with forex, couldn't build accounts and stuff like that. So to think that people could actually survive and trade in futures and not blow account after account and see these big payouts, I call cap. I'm just gonna say it because a lot of these traders you'll see take out like 30,000, especially when you see they haven't been trading long or something like and trading long, or if you look at their channel, they only show wins. Go through their history. That's what you want to do. If you go through a trader's history on YouTube and you see one of those traders that started off with their YouTube channel showing stuff like what is it like just different stuff fight in financial field, if they page wasn't even a trading page and it's just a bunch of random stuff, and then all of a sudden they got into trading. I see something right here, but all of a sudden they get into trading and now they want to be a so-called trader. You got to question it because they looking at it as a way to get subscribers, get money, and it's so easy to actually get on here and lie and just show you anything. Because to be honest, trading could be YouTube channel trading is good for selling stuff. Uh, you get like Apex accounts and Lucid and Trade of Eight, or not Trade of Eight, but Take Profit Trader. All of those become affiliates. They get free accounts. It help them get free accounts and stuff like that. And I'm not saying that everybody is a fake trader, but a lot of these guys that you see on here now that's popping up, they can't trade. They not real traders. I seen a lady that's been trading, I think 9 months, and she's taken out multiple payouts. And I mean, I've taken out payouts, but last year trading futures, but it took me 9 years to even start seeing any kind of money where I could any kind of return. Now I'm not saying you can't get it within like a year or something, but if she's in her first year and all of a sudden she knows all the emotions that you go through with trading, something's not right there. Uh, there's especially females. Females can generate a lot of subscribers fast on YouTube, so they can start getting paid through YouTube pretty quick. Uh, but when it comes to raw trading, y'all gotta like really question who actually is the real traders or not real traders, especially if they haven't been on a platform long, or if you can't even get no documentation to show that they've been trading for a while. and all of a sudden they just on YouTube as a profitable trader, not showing no losses. Question it. Uh, Prop firms are a great tool to use, but even with those, how do all these people take out all this money when it comes to payouts? If every YouTuber is profitable, then how does those prop firms make money through the losing traders? Because that's how they really make their money, is through losing traders. I just wanted to talk a little bit about that. Uh, my bad, I do say a lot, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about it and let y'all just watch who y'all watch, who y'all take advice from, because I mean every strategy for real works if you can get it to work. You just have to build it around a way that mentally suits you. That's all I wanted to say. But once something's set up or I get close to an entry, then I'll pause it. I just wanted to, I had to get that off my chest because I keep seeing a lot of traders out here that, with me being trading for so long and seeing so many traders in and out the game, just look out. But I'm gonna pause it and I'll come back once we get something that sets up. But I didn't get that entry. I'm gonna try one right here. I'm gonna add. We get up here. Let me see. 58, 48. It only got to come down to here for me to exit. I'm gonna put an order down here just in case it shoots down there. But I can add when it get up here close to 800 if it get there. I think I missed my exit. I sure did. Just come on. A little bit more. There we go. Just pause right there. So I'm gonna take that off. Just thought I'd take a quick scalp on it. That was for 3 accounts. You can see them over here in the corner. I'll pause it once I get another trade off. I am going to put an entry right here. If it come up here, then we'll take it. But I'm going to pause it. Looking for an entry up in here to try to get it to continue rolling over. I didn't even notice that I had took only 2 contracts for each one on the last trade. But it's cool. I made something off of it. Come on now. Come on back up here just a little bit. I don't want it to sit up in this zone, but I would like it to pop up here and just grab me in. Then I can put an order down here just in case it want to fall apart. There we go. I got another order sitting up here just in case it do some quick slingshot up there. Looking for, ooh. Just in case it want to come down to VWAP, I'm going to move that order down there. But we're looking for it to come down about the bottom of this candle. See what it's doing at it. To try to take it off. I wanted to just go ahead and, you ain't have to just do a little tap through. We don't need that all that consolidation again this time. But that's the plan. We waiting on it. What is that? 30, 32 points before I get another entry. Then I'll add again if it breaks above this area and close it. But this might have been like a liquidity grab type deal, even though that's what that looked like up there. Yeah, let me see right here. I wanted to get it should have did that candle through here. But like I was saying earlier, or a little bit ago, watch who you following in the market. And I'm just saying, like, if they seem like they keep trying to sell stuff, or they like pay for my course, or come into my chat room, and if it ain't something natural, like that you vibe with them or something like that, Get away from them people. Honestly. This bad boy. Did the buyers try to step in? I guess TradeAvate was having problems earlier because it wasn't letting people log in, which was a little weird. I came down to 20 and it's rolling back. It's going to go up to 80. That's what it's looking like.
Order filled.
We go ahead and put my orders back down here. And we will add up one more time. I need to move this closer on down that way. Let me see, 53. Oh, it's got to come back down to this, to the 20 MA for me to get out. So I might as well move this down a little bit more, just in case it want to spring down. What time is it? 9:53. Come on down here. We've been looking for you. Come down here. Come on down here. The trade taking a little bit of time. We get ready to pause it. And I'll pause it once we get close to my exit. So either I'm gonna stop out or get it back rolling once we get to whatever it's gonna do. Oh, it's looking like it's about to. Dang, this bad boy. We got one more ad. I'm trying to see. I want to add 80.
Order filled.
See if we can get it back down. Ooh. I'm about to have to stop out though, for real. Cause that's what it's looking like. It don't wanna participate with me. 3. I just needed to come on down here. Can I pause it? Oop. So I did get the ad, but we might be getting ready to break. Yeah, I'm getting ready to stop out. So we about to take the L for this one. And come on, bro. I don't know. I've been getting. That's weird, man. It spiked through one side of it, come down through the other side like it was gonna go, and then it just take off back through the other way. So, yeah, I'm stopping out.
Order filled.
So we down 364 on. All right, I'll come back once I get another setup. That kind of sucked. It shot down on me and filled me. I didn't even notice it. I actually should be getting out right now with that weird spike down. Sell. Just trying to give it time. Took it off, got a little bit. So I'll see if I can get another setup. Be back once one pop in. Trying to catch a quick sale right here up in this area. It done came all the way back down to where I wanted it to go to. Too bad I couldn't hold all the way up to 800. That's where it rolled back over at. It's about to roll back over on me again. So I'm gonna pause it. I guess it ain't gonna give me that one. missed the entry, but that was kind of by design because it just would not get up to my order. But now I want to take off the other way, so maybe that was a bad entry I was waiting on. Maybe it wasn't. I would like it to come back down here, but we only looking for it to back down into the consolidation area. But it looked like it's ready to take off now. Go back towards all-time highs. I thought it was gonna go back down because VWAP down here. Maybe it would have came down there and touched that. But let me see right in here. Back down to this green line, basically. If we can get it. Well, let's get one of these wicks down in here. One of them good drops. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Take it off.
Order filled.
Trying to chop back this loss some. So we down to 198. I forgot how much. I think we was down 3 something. So we chopped that down some. Look at it now. I want to go down there. That would have been a nice little, what's it? 10 more points. I'll be back once. Nah. If y'all like these type of videos, go ahead, check out the video that I leave up here. And I'll holler at y'all later. Deuces.